Hi, David. How are you today?
Hi Sophia, I'm good. A little tired. How about you?
I'm fine. I was thinking about traveling today.
Oh really? That's exciting. Do you like traveling?
Yes, very much. I love visiting different countries.
Me too, I like learning about new places and cultures.
Wow, that's great. I've been to France and Spain.
France is amazing. Did you visit Paris?
Yes. The Eiffel Tower is beautiful.
I agree. I also liked the museums. The art is incredible.
Italy is on my list. How was it?
Italy is amazing. The food is very good. Pizza and pasta everywhere.
Oh, I love Italian food. Did you try gelato?
Yes, gelato is the best ice cream in the world.
You said Japan too. That's very different.
Yes, Japan is very unique. The culture is interesting. People are polite.
Did you visit Tokyo?
Yes, very busy city, so many lights and people.
Sounds exciting. Did you try sushi?
Of course, fresh sushi is amazing in Japan.
I want to visit Japan too. Maybe next year.
You should. The temples and gardens are beautiful.
I love nature. Are there mountains in Japan?
Yes, many. Mount Fuji is famous, very tall and beautiful.
Have you visited any countries in Asia besides Japan?
Not yet. I want to go to Thailand and Vietnam.
Thailand is beautiful. Beaches are amazing.
I want to try Thai food too. I heard it is spicy.
Yes, very spicy, but very tasty.
What about you? Which country do you want to visit most?
I want to visit the USA, New York and California.
New York is exciting. So many skyscrapers.
Yes, and Times Square at night looks amazing.
California has nice beaches and warm weather.
I like sunny places. Maybe I will go in summer.
Good idea. Do you want to see other countries in America?
Maybe Canada. Nature there looks incredible.
Yes, I want to visit Canada too. The mountains and lakes are beautiful.
Do you like cold weather?
Sometimes I like winter sports, like skiing.
I like skiing too. Maybe we should go together one day.
That would be fun.
What about Europe? Which country do you like most?
Germany, beer, castles, and history.
I love Italy and Spain. The culture, food and history are amazing.
Spain is great too. Beaches, food, and festivals.
I want to see Barcelona and Madrid.
I also want to visit Switzerland, mountains, lakes, and chocolate.
Switzerland is beautiful. I also want to go to Austria. Music and art everywhere.
True, I love learning about different cultures.
Me too. Travel teaches us many things.
Yes, language, food, people, traditions.
Do you try to learn some words in the local language?
Yes, even a few words help a lot.
Me too. It's polite and shows respect.
Have you had any travel problems?
Yes. Once I lost my bag at the airport.
I know. What happened?
The staff helped me. I got it back after 2 hours.
That's good. I lost my wallet once in Italy.
Traveling can be challenging, but it's worth it.
Yes, meeting new people, learning about culture, trying food.
Exactly. Each country is different and interesting.
Do you prefer cities or nature?
Nature. I love mountains, beaches, forests.
I like both cities for culture, nature for relaxing.
True. A mix is perfect.
What's your dream travel country?
Japan or Canada? Maybe New Zealand too.
New Zealand is amazing, nature is beautiful, and people are friendly.
Yes, I want to hike and explore.
Me too, adventure is part of travel.
And food. Every country has special dishes.
Yes, French pastries, Italian pasta, Japanese sushi.
Mexican tacos, Indian curry, Thai noodles.
Traveling also teaches patience, waiting in airports, buses, queues.
True. And flexibility. Plans change, weather changes.
That's why travel is a good lesson for life.
One day, I want to visit at least 20 countries.
That's a great goal. I also want to see many countries before I'm 40.
We can make a list and plan carefully.
Yes, budget, flights, hotels, and places to see.
Traveling opens our mind. We learn about culture, people, and history.
I agree, every country has something unique.
And meeting locals is the best part.
True, they tell stories and show hidden places.
Do you like traveling by plane, train, or bus?
Planes are fast, trains are scenic, buses are cheap. I like trains most.
Me too. Trains let you see the countryside.
Do you try local festivals when you travel?
Yes. Festivals show culture, music, and food.
I went to Oktoberfest in Germany. It was fun.
I went to La Tomatina in Spain. Very messy, but exciting.
Have you tried local transportation like rickshaws or tuk-tuks?
Yes, in Thailand. Very fun and a little scary.
I took a gondola in Venice. Very romantic.
Do you like learning history when you travel?
Yes, museums and historical sites are fascinating.
Me too. Old castles and temples are amazing.
Do you take many photos?
Yes. Photos help me remember everything.
Same, I also make travel journals.
Have you tried local markets?
Yes, markets are great for souvenirs and food.
I love street food. It's tasty and cheap.
Do you travel alone or with friends?
Both. Alone is adventurous, with friends is fun. It's tasty and cheap.
I prefer both too. It depends on the trip.
Do you plan everything? Or go spontaneously?
Mostly plan, but leave time for surprises.
Me too. Some of the best experiences are unplanned.
Do you like warm beaches or snowy mountains?
Warm beaches in summer, snowy mountains in winter.
Good balance.
Do you bring gifts for locals?
Sometimes, small souvenirs or candies.
Nice. It's polite and friendly.
Do you try local music or dances?
Yes. I joined a dance class in Argentina.
That sounds fun. I learned some Japanese traditional dance.
Do you use travel apps?
Yes, maps, translation, and booking apps are very helpful.
Me too. Technology makes travel easier.
Do you prefer hotels or hostels?
Hotels for comfort. Hostels for meeting people.
Same, hostels are social and affordable.
Do you like cruises?
Not yet, but I want to try.
Cruises are relaxing, and you visit many islands.
Do you like guided tour or exploring alone?
Both. Guided tours teach history. Exploring alone is adventurous.
True.
Do you like trying local desserts everywhere you go?
Always, desserts are a good way to know culture.
I agree. Cakes, pastries, and ice creams are amazing.
Do you make friends while traveling?
Yes, locals and other travelers. It's the best part.
I agree, sharing experiences makes trips memorable.
One day, I hope to visit at least 30 countries.
That's a great goal. I also want to travel as much as possible.
Let's share our favorite countries next time.
Yes, I can't wait.